I'm discuss very important one that is called custom search engine activation. In my blogger, I'll activate custom search engine that is called will display on the Amazon product. Will display on the Amazon product. First of all, select csc.google.com. After, select your amazon.in. I'm going to promote only for Indian product. Copy. First option open here. Click for add. Select your website and add by amazon.in. Products. Click for create. After that, click for get code. Copy the code. Then go for blogger dashboard. Option call is layout. Add a gadget. In this HTML by JavaScript. That's it. Title will be search. After changing for your position. So any layout you can change your positions. And change my position will be cross column to save. Any search engine will be there. Refresh. So what am I adding in this search engine? Amazon product. I'm searching for Samsung mobile. First ads. I can see Amazon. Why am they showing Amazon product? In a custom in search engine, add the Amazon link. They're showing only for Amazon product. If in Amazon replace you add your blogger URL, they show your blogger information. Is a difference. In custom search engine, is depend on your website URL. The information will be searched. They show your page URL on the search engine option. This will be very used for the dynamic website more than 200, more than 300 pages website. When exceed 50 pages, we'll create the custom search engine option. The very important and particular dynamic site.